sewing friends, welcome to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel. My name is Melly and I am happy to be back at AGF bringing you today a fabric haul video showcasing Cozy and Joyful Fabrics by Maureen Cracknell. This is the best collection for me to get back making fabric haul videos because for those of you that know me, you know that I'm obsessed with the holiday season and anything winter or Christmas related, I am all in for. Maureen hit it out of the park with this fabric collection. Usually I can pick a favorite print from a collection, but with this collection, I cannot pick a favorite. This is the perfect time of year to start sewing your holiday-themed quilts and decor. There is about 113 days left till Christmas and even less by the time this video comes out. With every fabric collection that comes out at AGF, we also offer a free quilt pattern that is designed specifically for the collection. So if you want to give the Chimney Gatherings quilt a go, I will make sure to leave a link to that in the description box below. I'm so excited that Sharon Holland's Sweet Home Quilt Sew-Along starts on September 9th, so make sure to mark your calendars. I definitely will be using Cozy and Joyful Fabrics to create my quilt. If you want to follow along to that sew-along, I'll make sure to leave all the details below this video. Alright everyone, let's take a closer look at these beautiful prints. All of you Maureen Cracknell fans out there know that every one of her collections will showcase her beautiful hand-drawn florals. Frosted Roses showcases large-scale florals perfect for fussy cutting and using as a focal print in your quilt blocks. Among the florals are holly and snowflakes on a dreamy icy white background. Jolly March is a very special print to Maureen because it's inspired by her family's Nutcracker collection. I love looking at the cute little mustaches and their jackets, shoes, and hats. How fun would this print be to cut into strips or to fussy cut for English paper piecing projects? Made on Sugar Blush Lane created this Nova Star quilt block, doing just that. Ginger Joy is filled with holiday goodies. Gingerbread houses, decorated trees, and candy canes surrounded by holiday nature elements. Another fun print to fussy cut, or use to create holiday stockings for your family and friends. Making holiday garland is definitely on my to-sew list with this print. Feast your eyes on Winter Wonderland. Cozy little cabins in a peaceful village, surrounded by mountains and snow. A perfect print to use for a backing of a quilt, or to add some yummy embroidery to. I love the little heart details on top of the trees, and smoke coming out of the chimneys. Make a festive drawstring tote to carry around with you this holiday season. Check out this bright, cheery red in the print Under the Mistletoe. How cute are these kissing reindeer? This print also comes in knit to create the cutest kids' garments. Nothing gets us into the holiday spirit like twinkling lights. The Northern Lights print is filled with strands of glowing lights. Cut into strips and use as binding, or make a decorative pillow to illuminate your home. This playful design will for sure add some joy to any project you make. This herringbone gold print is a great linear design, perfect for using as binding, or to use to break up busy prints in your quilt making. The Made with Love print is filled with tons of dots, creating this geometric triangle design. The beautiful rustic red is filling me with holiday vibes. Mix this print with the blues and greens in the collection for a pop of color. Midwinter Dusk has an amazing rich navy background with metallic gold lines that create a diamond design. Talk about a showstopper blender. Using this blender will take your holiday sewing projects to the next level. Give your sewing decor a woodsy cabin feel by adding the plaid of my dreams to your sewing projects. I can see tree skirts made with this print. Besides for coming in a yummy spruce green, it also comes in this eye-catching rustic red. If you're a fan of AGF rayon, it comes in black and white for all you garment sewers out there. Take a look at My Sweet Sunshine's stunning PJs made with AGF rayon. Two more great blenders from the collection are Snowy Night and Snowy Bright, a print filled with little glowing stars to add a little delight of magic and cheer to your quilts. Choose from a spruce background with white stars or white background with red stars. The last print I want to show you is the Make Snow Flurry print, with intricately designed snowflakes in a variety of warm, cheerful colors. This will make for another great quilt backing for your holiday-themed quilts. I want to show you some pure solids to match back perfectly with Cozy and Joyful collection. All the prints will be listed in the description box below. I also have some great AGF blenders like these floral elements that will add some great texture to your projects. Try adding this pearl and gold PRISMA element to the mix. And don't forget the cool relaxing shades of smooth denim from the AGF Denim Studio. Let's get busy mixing and matching. So is everyone pumped to start sewing with cozy and joyful fabrics? Let me know in the comments below what your favorite prints are and what you plan on making. For more holiday inspiration, make sure to check out our fabric project catalog, packed full of yummy sewing projects. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your sewing friends. And also, get excited because my next 2 videos are all about quilt blocks and how to use AGF blenders. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Until next time, happy sewing.